So students, I am going to solve some questions from exercise 6.3, and this question number 6 is in figure 6.37. Figure is made here. Triangle ABE congruent to triangle ACD, so that triangle AD similar to triangle ABC. ये दो ट्राइंगल जो है कंग्रुएंट है. Now we have to prove. First write the solution. Given triangle ABE congruent to triangle ACD, और इस फिगर को सेपरेट करेंगे. We make these figures AB. Where is ABE? ABE, that means I am making here A, B and BC and ACD like that. It is AC और ये हो गया D. ये दोनों ट्राइंगल जो है कन्ग्रुएंट है. तो कन्ग्रुएंट का मतलब क्या होता है? कन्ग्रुएंट मीन्स ऑल sides and all angles are equal, so these are congruent. So we can write AB equal to AC, all sides equal, all angles also equal, so these are congruent. And also this AE equal to AD and this BE equal to BC, three things equal. So we can write, we need only here what is to prove AD is similar to triangle ABC. First write here to prove triangle ADE similar to triangle ABC. This ADE and this bigger triangle ABC, it needs to be similar. ये similar दिखाना है दोनों को. So we write here proof. We are going to prove this. Triangle ABE, hint is given here, congruent to triangle ACD. So what we can write? AB, we can write here AB is equal to this AC and AE is equal to AD. So we write here AB is equal to AC and we can write here CPCT, corresponding parts of congruent triangles. अगर दो ट्राइंगल congruent है उसका सब साइड क्या होगा? इक्वल होगा. AB is equal to AC है. Now second thing is AE is equal to AD, also we can write AD is equal to AE. AD is equal to AE, also CPCT. Question number 1 and question number 2. And now see here. What is to prove? ADE and ABC. तो सिमिलर प्रूफ करने के लिए क्या करेंगे? सिमिलर मीन्स करस्पॉन्डिंग साइड्स प्रोपोर्शनल. AD के नीचे AB आ जाना चाहिए. अगर AE के नीचे AC आ गया तो दो साइड प्रूव हो सकता है. सो हाउ टू दिस टू रेशियोज वी टेक. सो नाउ AD by AB, that means if we divide 2 by 1, dividing equation 2, it is 2 by equation 1, we get 2 is AD by number 1 is AB equal to this AE by AC. We see here AD by AB, AD के नीचे AB आ गया रेशियो, AE के नीचे AC आ गया. Two sides we have in the same ratio and we need one angle. So we write here this equation number 3. We need to be similar in triangle ADE and triangle ABC. We have got two sides here. AD by AB is equal to A by AC. proved above. In question number 3, proved above in the 3. And clearly here A and A is common. Angle A is equal to angle A. This is common angle. So students, here if two sides are clearly from the corresponding congruent triangles, we have got this side by side, side by side. So we need extra one angle. So SAS criteria, due to SAS criteria, it is similar. AD by AB, AE by AC and included angle. बीच में ये एंगल होना चाहिए A. AD AE को के बीच में है A. Therefore we can write, therefore triangle ADE similar to triangle ABC by AS similarity. Hence proved. So it is the solution of question number 6. Now number 11 is, students, actually I am not solving all the questions, because if I will do all the questions, how will you practice? So some important questions I am doing, remaining questions you will do yourself. If any problem, then write in comment box. Again I will solve and upload the videos. So now 11 is, figure is made there. E is a point on side. E is a point side. This, sorry, it is E. E is a point on side. E is a point on side BC. Produced of an isosceles triangle ABC. Means CB is produced to F. ABC with AB is equal to isosceles में AB के बराबर क्या है? AC is given here and AD. Sorry, this question I will check the question once again. It is D. Sorry, it is D. It is D and now check the question. ABC, D is here. It is E. It is F. So now see once again. E is a point on side CB produced after an isosceles triangle ABC with AB is equal to AC. AD perpendicular to, that means it is 90, and also EF it is also 90. So prove that triangle ABD triangle ACF. जो चीज़ हमें प्रूफ करना है उसको, उस फिगर को अलग बनाएंगे. तो इफ यू मेक सेपरेट द फिगर्स, it will be more clear to you. So ABD, where is ABD? ABD, I am making here A, B and D, and if it is 90, it must be also 90. So it is 90 given already this. And ECF, it is C, it is F, it is E, and here it is 90. So clearly we have one angle is 90, and we know the criteria of the similarity, like A or double A, SSS, SAS. These are criteria to make the similar of any two triangles. So now writing here, given triangle ABC is an isosceles such that AB is equal to AC. ABC is this triangle, that means AB is equal to AC. If it is AB is equal to AC, it is given, then to prove triangle ABD सिमिलर ट्राइंगल ECF, ये हमने बना दिया यहाँ पर, जिसको सिमिलर प्रूफ करना है. Now we write proof. 3 given to prove and it is the proof. So now what is to prove? In triangle ABD and ट्राइंगल ECF, इस दोनों को देखना है। एक क्लियर दिखाई दे रहा है D के इक्वल F है, एंगल D इज इक्वल टू एंगल F, इट इज गिवन इट इज इक्वल टू 90 डिग्री एंड वी नीड मोर वन। एक तो मिल गया और दूसरे ट्राइंगल के हिंट दिया है यहाँ पर कि ABC जब आइसोसेलेस है तो या दो साइड इक्वल है, AB के बराबर AC, सो कैन यू राइट दिस B is equal to C. It is the property of that opposite angles are equal. So angle B is equal to angle C. What we write here? Angles opposite to equal sides are इक्वल साइड के अपोजिट एंगल जो क्या होता है, इक्वल होता है। ड्यू टू दैट वी कैन राइट एंगल बी इक्वल टू एंगल सी, बिकॉज ऑलरेडी गिवन हियर ABC is isosceles triangle and particular this thing given here AB is equal to AC. Due to that we can say angle B is equal to angle C, written here angles opposite to equal sides are equal, therefore it has improved triangle ABD. So we can write also B is equal to C. Here is B and here is C. So ABD similar to triangle ECF. By which criteria? So check once again. In ABD and ECF, D is equal to F is 90 degree and B is equal to this C. This B is equal to, it is in the main figure, and if you will separate this, these two triangles are similar and criteria is we have two angles by AA similarity. So it is the hence ये रहा क्वेश्चन नंबर 11 का सॉल्यूशन। Now look here, question number 12. First time read this question, check this. Sides AB and BC and median AD. This sides AB and this BC and median AD. मतलब two sides and one median of a triangle ABC are respectively proportional to sides PQ, that means this PQ and QR, and median PM of triangle PQR, so that triangle ABC similar to PQR. तो फिर एक बार समझो फिगर ABC में AB by PQ, like that AB by PQ and AB by PQ and BC, that BC means this side and this, and median this AD and this are proportional, that means are in the same ratio, so we have to prove this. So first we write solution given हाउ टू मेक रेशियो, मतलब ए बी के नीचे क्या आएगा पी क्यू, ये प्रपोर्शन है ए बी के नीचे पी क्यू एंड दिस बी सी बाई क्यू आर इज इक्वल टू दिस ए डी के नीचे क्या आएगा पी एम। प्रपोर्शन का मतलब क्या होता है, इन द फॉर्म ऑफ डिवीजन और इन द रेशियो फॉर्म। तो ए बी बाई पी क्यू, बी सी बाई क्यू आर, ए डी बाई पी, इट इज गिवन हियर टू प्रूव triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR, ये प्रूव करना है। सो वी राइट है प्रूफ. अब देखते हैं प्रूफ. प्रूफ के लिए इसका हेल्प लेना पड़ेगा. वी हैव ए बी बाई पी क्यू इज इक्वल टू बी सी बाई क्यू आर इज इक्वल टू ए डी बाई पी एम. ये कहाँ से आया? सो इट इज ऑलरेडी गिवन. वी हैव हियर. अब हमको प्रूफ क्या करना है? ए बी सी सिमिलर टू, आई एम मेकिंग हियर ए बी सी एंड सिमिलर टू पी क्यू आर. ये हम लोगों को सिमिलर प्रूफ करना है. ए बी सी को सिमिलर प्रूफ गर्नु पर्ने छ पी क्यू आर. के गर्नु पर्यो यसमा? नाउ सी हियर, इफ वी हैव ए बी बाई पी क्यू, already we have BC by QR, we have this. That means two sides are clearly mentioned here. AD by PM, there is no AD, there is no PM. So if we have two sides are in the same ratio, if we have two sides, that means we need extra this angle. So we search out this A angle. So what write here? ए बी बाई पी क्यू. एक चीज और लिखा है, मीडियन. मीडियन का मतलब क्या होता है? एनी मीडियन, दिस मीडियन, एडी इज मीडियन. तो एडी डिवाइड्स बिटवीन टू पार्ट्स, माने डी इज द मिड पॉइंट ऑफ बीसी. मीडियन का मतलब क्या होता है? बीसी को दो पार्ट में ये डिवाइड करेगा. पीएम मीडियन ये दो पार्ट्स में इसको डिवाइड करेगा, ये दो पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करेगा. तो बीसी को क्या लिख सकते हैं हम लोग? दिस बीसी, BC इज इक्वल टू BD प्लस DC. BD में जब DC जोड़ेंगे तब BC आएगा, और BD के इक्वल DC, बिकॉज D इज मिड पॉइंट ऑफ BC. दैट मीन्स BD इज BD, अदरवाइज DC इज DC. सो इस BD के प्लेस में, इस DC के प्लेस में भी क्या लिख सकते हैं? BD. दैट मीन्स BC इज इक्वल टू 2BD. वी कैन राइट BD का डबल BC या DC का डबल BC, या BD जो है BC का हाफ. सो हाउ टू राइट दिस? BC, इस BC को लिख सकते हैं 2BD बाई QR, जस्ट लाइक सेम दिस QR. दिस QR इज इक्वल टू QM प्लस MR, और जितना QM है उतना ही MR है. तो QM इज इक्वल टू MR या MR इज इक्वल टू QM. So we need actually QM, so MR के प्लेस में लिख देंगे QM. So we can write 2QM. That means in the place of QR, we can write 2QM is equal to this AD by PM. So this 2 cancel. So see in this figure, AB by PQ, AB by PQ, BD, this BD by QM, this QM, and AD by PM. I am making 3 times this. 3 sides are in same ratio. यहाँ देखते हैं ABD उधर मिल गया PQM. सो AB के नीचे आ गया PQ, BD के नीचे आ गया QM, and AD by PM. That means what we write? Therefore, triangle ABD similar to triangle PQM, which property? By SSS similarity, because similarity, all sides are in the same ratio. So triple S similarity. So what we can write? If any two triangles are similar, their corresponding sides are proportional. Therefore, corresponding sides proportional, angles are equal. Correspondings are equal. That means we can say A is equal to P, B is equal to Q, D is equal to M. But we need only this B. We can write angle B is equal to angle Q. Actually यहाँ B के इक्वल Q होगा, डी के इक्वल एम होगा एंड ए इज इक्वल टू दिस पी। लेकिन हम लोग काम चल जाएगा इसी से, बी के इक्वल क्यू हो गया। सो इन दिस टू ट्राइंगल्स, इन ट्राइंगल ABC and PQR, so right here in triangle this ABC and triangle PQR, we can use this equation number 1. So we can write AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR. See here in this figure, AB by PQ, now BC by QR. Two sides are in the same ratio. Extra we need this B. This B is equal to Q, included angle here. So already proved here, it is from equation 1 and angle B is equal to angle Q. We can write here proved above. Therefore triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR, which criteria? Side angle side, side angle side, AS similarity, hence proved. So due to SAS, these two triangles are similar.